Top 4 juices to restore vision and memory while you sleep. Senior health tips. If you are over 60, you are currently fighting a biological oxidation war every night while you sleep. Most seniors wake up feeling foggy and blurry because their internal systems are struggling to clear the amyloid plaques from their brain and the lipofuscin waste from their retinas. New 2026 nutritional neuroscience reveals that specific night phase juices can act as metabolic solvents, dissolving the neural debris that leads to memory drift while replating your macular pigments. You are likely one nutrient-dense glass away from a cognitive and visual reset that could have been achieved decades ago. You need to identify these top 4 juices immediately because for a senior body, the first 90 minutes of sleep is the only time your glymphatic system can effectively pressure wash your brain and eyes. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with sensory decline for life. Version 1. The Retinal Flush Carrot and Ginger Infusion. The first juice for seniors over 60 is a cold-pressed carrot and ginger blend. Carrots provide beta-carotene, but more importantly, the ginger acts as a vascular catalyst. In an aging body, blood flow to the eyes is often restricted by stiff capillaries. The ginger warms the microcirculation, ensuring the vitamin A actually reaches the retinal pigment epithelium. This flush is what restores your ability to see vivid colors and improves night contrast, effectively cleaning the lens from the inside out while you dream. Number 2. The Neural Synapse Wild Blueberry Extract. The second must-drink is a concentrated wild blueberry juice. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that are unique because they can cross the blood-brain barrier. In 2026, clinical trials showed that these compounds tag the zombie cells in your hippocampus for removal. By drinking this before bed, you are inhibiting neuroinflammation during your REM cycle. This juice is the secret to instant memory retrieval, allowing you to wake up with a crisp and clear mental map of your day. Metabolic warning. Many seniors find that even with these vision juices, they still struggle with heavy energy and a stubborn weight plateau because of thermogenic resistance. This is a common 2026 health crisis where your internal fat-burning furnace has dimmed, causing your body to store inflammatory visceral fat that clouds your brain and clogs your ocular arteries. Many of my viewers are getting great results with a breakthrough called Citrus Burn. It's 100% plant-based and uses Seville orange peel to boost that internal metabolic fire even while you sleep. If you want to see your memory nutrients actually reach your brain without being blocked by metabolic sludge, I recommend this formula. It comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. Micro 3. The Cerebral Hydrator, Tart Cherry and Beetroot. The third juice is a tart cherry and beetroot combination. This is the heavy hitter for senior longevity. Tart cherries are a natural source of phytomelatonin, which commands your brain to enter deep delta sleep, the only phase where memories are consolidated. The beetroot provides a nitric oxide surge, keeping your cerebral pipes wide and flexible. This duo prevents the mini-stall in blood flow that causes many seniors to wake up with morning confusion. Version 4. The Optic Shield Kale and Apple Tonic. The final juice is a kale and green apple tonic. Kale is the richest source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are the internal sunglasses of the human eye. In a senior over 60, these pigments are often depleted by blue light exposure. This juice replump the macula, creating a biological filter against screen-induced damage. The green apple provides the malic acid needed to ensure the minerals are chelated and absorbed into your ocular matrix before your sleep cycle begins. Matsura, the shocking 6-bottle pack strategy. If you are struggling with a weight plateau that makes your sensory recovery feel sluggish, one thing that's helping thousands right now is the biggest discount on the 6-bottle pack of Citrus Burn, which currently includes free shipping. This 2026 formula helps break through thermogenic resistance by activating your body's natural heat production. When you carry less visceral fat, the pressure on your optic nerve and carotid arteries is significantly reduced, allowing your memory juices to function with high-speed efficiency. It's the perfect natural solution for a 6-month sensory and metabolic reset. The final habit, the 10-second palming seal. The final habit that 99% of people miss is the 10-second palming seal. After drinking your chosen juice and lying down, you must rub your palms together until they are hot and place them over your closed eyes for exactly 10 seconds. If you miss this last tip, you are skipping the thermal neural link. The heat from your palms triggers a vascular draw, pulling the anthocyanins and lutein from your bloodstream directly into the microvessels of your retinas. This mechanical prime ensures that your vision and memory repair begins with maximum flow. This simple habit seals your longevity protocol and ensures you wake up regenerated rather than degenerated. Subscribe. Which juice will you start applying today?